In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to skip add to cart in WordPress. If you want shoppers to go straight from a product page to checkout bypassing the cart, this walkthrough is for you. We'll use built-in WooCommerce settings and a simple redirect, so the experience feels fast and focused, which can help reduce drop-off. Start by logging into your WordPress site and opening your dashboard. The quickest way is to visit your website.com/wp-admin and sign in. This tutorial assumes you already have WooCommerce installed and active. Next, head to WooCommerce, then Settings, and open the Products tab. In this area, look for the section labeled Add to Cart Behavior. Enable the option that says Redirect to the cart page after successful addition, and then save your changes. Turning this on ensures that the moment someone clicks Add to Cart, they're taken immediately to the cart page, which sets us up for the final redirect to checkout. Now let's complete the skip. Go to WooCommerce, then Settings, and open the Advanced tab. Here you'll see your key store pages listed. Find the checkout page and copy its URL. Keep this URL handy. You'll paste it in the next step. To bypass the cart entirely, install a lightweight redirect plugin of your choice. Once it's active, create a rule that redirects your cart page to the checkout URL you just copied. The idea is simple. The Add to Cart button sends customers to the cart, and the redirect immediately forwards them to checkout. Save that rule. That's it. From a shopper's perspective, they click Add to Cart and land directly on checkout with their item ready to pay for. If you notice any hiccups, clear your site and browser cache and test again in a private window. Also confirm that your checkout and cart pages are correctly assigned in WooCommerce under Advanced, and that your checkout URL is the one your site is actually using. A couple of quick tips as you roll this out. Skipping the cart is great for single product purchases or when speed matters most. If you sell bundles or encourage adding multiple products, consider whether this flow fits your store strategy. You can still keep a cart link in your menu for customers who want to review orders, while the Add to Cart button fast tracks everyone else. With these changes in place, you've streamlined the path to purchase and removed an extra step. Publish your changes, test the flow end to end, and you're ready to go.